Welcome all of you. Today we will discuss about the installation of MySQL. For the installation of MySQL, you need to download the setup of MySQL first of all. I will share its link in the description of this video. As I already downloaded it, so I am directly going to install it. I am having it on my pen drive, so I am opening it directly. Look at here, when you downloaded it, it seems like this, like MySQL 5.5.16 when 32 or when 64, whatever version is there on your PC. Double click on it. After double click, it will appear this pop-up window of MySQL installation. After that, click on the next button, then click on the accept of the license agreement. After that, click next. Now here it asks to choose type of setup, so we will install the complete MySQL and click on the install button. Again click on the next, and finish. After finishing, it will ask about permission of installing this license server configuration. It will open automatically. So again click on next. This time we will choose the detailed configuration. Next, developer machine. Look at here, the developer machine I selected. Next, multifunctional database. Again next. It is displaying the path where you can save your database if you want to change the path. As I am going to save it in my C drive, if you want to save it in another drive, so you can. After that, click on next, then next. It is the default port of MySQL 3306. Okay, so let it be as it is and click on next. Standard character set, next. Service name MySQL. Click on include bin directory in Windows path and then click on next. Here it is asked about the password of root account of MySQL. Root account of MySQL is an account which is basically used by the DBA. By that account you can access, or you are having all the privileges in that account. So set the password, pass the password here to the root account, as I am passing Sumit. Click on confirm. Again retype the same password and then click next. Now click on the execute. So it is installing MySQL right now. It will take some time. As I previously installed MySQL on my computer, that is why it is displaying the error to starting the service. In this condition, what we need to do, cancel this setup, move to the control panel, move program files and programs and features. Look at here, MySQL is installed here. Uninstall this MySQL first of all. After uninstallation, again move back to this PC. On this PC, move in C drive. Look at here, in C drive, we will get the MySQL whether in the program files or in program files 86. Look at here, here is the folder of MySQL. So remove this folder as I am going to remove. This folder removed, but still its few of files will save here, but still its few of files saved here in program data also. So double click on the program data. Again look at here. Here we got the MySQL folder. One more thing I wish to discuss with you. This program data is appear in the C drive in hidden manner. Okay. So to unhide this folder, move to the view option and look at here, the hide items I had ticked. If you unticked it, so look at here, the program data folder disappears from the C drive. So click on the hide item, then move to the program data. Inside the program data, remove MySQL as I am going to remove. MySQL removed. Now after removing MySQL folders from each and every place, now we will install it from our source where we downloaded it. As I put it on my pen drive, so I will install it from my pen drive. Double click on it. Again the same steps you need to follow. Click on yes. Then next, next, finish. Yes. Then again next, 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 next. Include bin directory. Again next, pass the password for root account. Next and execute. Let's see now this time. Look at here, you can see the difference clearly. This time the start service is completely run without any error. Now click on finish button. To check that MySQL is installed on your PC or not, we need to move on the start menu. In the search box type MySQL. So you will get this MySQL 5.5 command line client icon. Click on it. It will ask about the password. Pass the password whatever you passed at the time of installation. As I passed Sumit, so I entered it and hit enter. So if it is working properly, this MySQL prompt window will appear, and on this window we can do whatever we require. Okay, thank you class.